Hi, my name's Doug Lyons, and here at Weld County Garage we feel that buying a new car should be fun and exciting. But if you've been to some other dealerships, you know it can be very stressful. So to eliminate that stress, we have clearly marked every vehicle with our lowest price right on the window. We've also gone to a non-commissioned sales staff, which allows me to find the perfect car for you that fits your needs, your budget, and you're proud to show off to your friends and family. But that's not all. We also give you a 6-month, 6,000 mile warranty on brakes, batteries, bulbs, and tires. And we give you a 3-day money-back guarantee. Who does that? Nobody. And to keep your love affair going with your car far into the future, we give you free car washes for life. How good is that? Doesn't get any better than that. So if you're looking for a stress-free car buying experience, call me, Doug Lyons, at 970-302-0318. Schedule a test drive and let the fun begin.